Let me be honest with you. If you trade ICT and you're still not profitable, you're not alone. In fact, you're part of the 90%, and today I'll explain exactly why and what the profitable 10% do differently. Most ICT traders start the same way. You watch the videos. You learn liquidity, fair value gaps, order blocks. Your charts look professional, but your account doesn't. You enter a trade, it goes against you. You get stopped out. Then 5 minutes later, price moves exactly where you expected. That frustration, that feeling like you reclosed but not there. That's where most ICT traders get stuck. If content like this helps you see the market more clearly, liking the video helps this kind of thinking reach more serious traders. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most ICT traders don't actually understand ICT. They understand the terms, but not the logic. And that difference is everything. ICT is not a strategy. It's not a signal system. ICT is a framework, a way of understanding how money moves. Institutions need liquidity. Price moves toward where money is resting. Highs, lows, equal highs, equal lows. ICT teaches patience, not prediction. The first reason 90% never become profitable. They treat every setup like an opportunity, but smart money doesn't trade all the time. If you're always in a trade, there's a high chance you're the liquidity. ICT starts from the higher time frame. Weekly, daily, then execution. But most traders skip this. That's not ICT. That's gambling with ICT vocabulary. If this is already making sense to you, subscribe, because I share trading content focused on clarity, discipline, and long-term growth. Most ICT traders believe they must trade every day, but ICT rewards waiting. Doing nothing is also a position. Everything changed when I stopped asking, where can I enter? And started asking, where is price most likely to go? Once direction is clear, entries become simple. No rush, no indicators. Just patience and alignment. Most traders don't fail because they lack knowledge. They fail because they lack discipline. ICT rewards patience. It punishes emotion.
Most traders lose money, not because trading is impossible, but because they make the same predictable mistakes. Today, we're breaking down those errors. This isn't another video about magic indicators. This is about the real, raw discipline that separates the 95% who fail from the 5% who achieve consistent profitability. First, the most common sin: trading without a plan. A trading plan is your map. It defines your entry, exit, and risk management rules. Without it, you're just gambling, driven by emotion. Every successful trader has a plan they stick to religiously. Second, ignoring risk management. Many traders risk far too much on a single trade, hoping for a big win. This is a recipe for disaster. A professional trader thinks about defense first. The rule is simple. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on any single trade. This protects you from ruin and keeps you in the game. Third, emotional trading. After a loss, the temptation to revenge trade to win it back is immense. This almost always leads to bigger losses. Trading is a mental game. When you lose, step back, analyze what went wrong, and wait for a clear, high-probability setup. Patience is your greatest asset. Fourth, failing to adapt. Markets are always changing. A strategy that worked last month might not work today. The best traders are students of the market forever. They constantly review their trades, learn from their mistakes, and adapt their strategies to new conditions. If this video helped you see ICT differently, take a moment to like it. It helps this kind of thinking reach more serious traders. And subscribe for more wise trading content like this content focused on clarity, discipline, and long-term growth. Because profitable trading doesn't start with entries. It starts with patience.